to our special series, Trading Places, on taking care of aging parents. This week we're looking at your stories, and one of the things that has come up in the well over 5,000 emails and pictures we've received on this topic, the issue of long-term care insurance. Tom Mark from Illinois writes us, what about the use of long-term care insurance to alleviate some of the emotional and financial burdens placed on families by these situations? A lot of you have asked about it. NBC's Ann Thompson looked into it. Here is her report now in depth.
65-year-old Julia Cardillo cares for her garden and birds, retired in Lutz, Florida with her husband Paul after raising 2 sons. But 900 miles away in Gaithersburg, Maryland, youngest child Matthew worried who would take care of them.
It's that whole role reversal thing is difficult because just bringing it up is very difficult.
With nursing home costs averaging $70,000 a year, Matthew's answer, long-term care insurance, a subject Julia wasn't eager to talk about until they went to a financial planner.
That was the apprehension. Can I afford this?
Matt felt she couldn't afford not to buy it. Since Medicare only covers 90 days of nursing home care after you've been in the hospital, financial planner Tom Curtis says most people need help.
I like to call long-term care wealth insurance.
Because he says it allows people like Julia to protect their home and other assets. But this kind of coverage doesn't come cheap. Yearly premiums can run you anywhere from around $1,000 to several $1,000s, depending on your age and the options you choose. Dr. Marion Somers is a geriatric care manager in New York.
There are 4 factors I ask people to address. One is the benefit factor, one is the waiting period factor, the amount factor, and inflation.
And the earlier you buy it, the cheaper it is. Take a couple in their 50s.
Where the premium is $1,250 a year. If you look at that over a 40-year time period, you've only paid $50,000.
Which is far less than what an average yearly stay at a nursing home is.
But as Julia learned, you must budget for it, because if you stop paying the premiums, you lose your coverage, and long-distance families could lose peace of mind. Ann Thompson, NBC News, Gaithersburg, Maryland.